Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a drop-down list in Google Sheets. So first we're going to open a spreadsheet. Then you're going to click on the box you want to edit. Then you're going to click on data. Then you're going to go to data validation. Then here you're going to click on add rule. Then you guys could rename those options, but first we're going to insert the criteria. Since we want a drop-down, we're going to click on drop-down. Then we're going to rename it as option A, then as B. We could also add another item. We'll rename it as C. And another one, we'll rename it as D. Then you guys could also click on advanced options and see other options. Then once you're done, we're going to click on done. So then once you click on the box, there's a specific arrow. So as you can see, there's the drop-down list. So this is how you do it. It's a very simple step. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.